Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to extract text from photo and PC. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to extract text from any of your photo, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and here the very first thing I'm going to collect a photo or a text need photo. So let's say I'm gonna search for anything from here. Let's say I'm gonna search for Facebook, and I have a page like that. I have a page here. I have some text. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this. So let's say I'm going to take a screenshot of this screen. So I have taken a screenshot of that screen and here's the photo. So I'm going to copy this. So just press Ctrl plus C and your screenshot or your pic will be copied. Or you can also click on this copy option. Now once you have done, you just have to open a new tab and here you have to search for text or you can search for extract text from photo or from image. Once you have searched, you might get multiple websites. I'm gonna use the first one. Just open this website here and here you just have to paste your photo. You can also browse from your gallery if you have saved. Once you have done, just click on convert here and your photo will be converted into text. You just have to wait for some moments and here you will get your text. So in this way you can easily extract text from any photo. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.